in a primary location in Cebu. So right now we have our three brands already. So we have B Residences. Under that mid to high end brand are B Residences Lahug and B Uptown Park. And then for the affordable brand naman, we have Balay by B Residences. Under that are Balay Punta Engaño, Balay Cordova, and Balay Helena in Panglao Island in Bohol. And then the crossover between B Residences and Balay by B Residences is BU. Okay, so flagship building ni BU is our BU Talamban. Okay, which I will be presenting to you right now. Okay, so CBU is our pre-selling project. So basically, kani siya, we have launched this in October 2024, or we started the booking day. And we are also proud to say that by far, this is the most successful project that we have ever launched in the market because even if wala pagid me naghatag og mga details,